Hey Disney friends, it's Amber with Mickey Travels. I do all kinds of videos on this channel pertaining to Disney planning, dining, etc., fast passes, all that. But I also have some videos where I take you along with me on some shopping trips. I share my Disney World hauls, and overall we talk about a lot of the cool things and collectibles that you can get with Disney. So I was approached by Walt, which is a home subscription box service, and they gave me a box to open for my YouTube channel. So I'm really excited to open this for you guys, talk to you a little bit about what they are, and it's just nice to be able to get some special magic in the mail when you live so far away from Disney like I do. So stay tuned, we'll take a look and see what's inside my Walt Life box.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Okay, so first, when they approached me to do this, I was super excited because I love the concept of the home subscription box service. There's other ones like Loot Crate we've looked into because our entire basement is literally a shrine to things we love. So this room obviously is my room, and so I've got my Disney collection of just Boo in this shelf, but it also expands into other parts of our house. And my husband has his own room, what we call his man cave, but it's more collectibles rather than sports and beer kind of stuff. So when they asked what kind of box I wanted, I asked for the adult 18 plus box, hoping that my husband can get some really cool Disney collectibles to add to his collection, since I have a ton anyway here and in my classroom, etc. So first off, the box is super cute. It's got remnants of some famous Disney characters on the side. There's the seagulls. Super cute. And it only took a couple days from them emailing me to send this to me. All right, so let's open it up. I feel like Christmas time when your mom uses too much tape on the box. That's what's happening. Delivery kit. All right, here we go. Set it here. Caution, magic enclosed. So first when I open it, I do see a little bit about the social media aspect of their company. It's got share your Walt Life adventure with us on Facebook and enter to an awesome prize. And it talks about where I can post about things that are in my box, etc. So it's pretty cute and colorful. Sharing that there. And the first thing we see is a window sticker decal. And it's perfect because it's Grumpy. Now, what I like about this is it is directly from the Disney parks and even has the Disney parks price tag still on it. This will be perfect for my husband's truck. We've got a Kansas City Chiefs and Mizzou Tigers sticker already on there, and this will just fit perfectly with his personality on his truck. That is wonderful. You saw the retail on that was $9.99. Okay, we have a box here. Also with a Disney price tag on it, telling me it's from the parks. Okay. Wow. Okay, so we have a glass with a record on it that says Mickey Briggs. Oh, what? It says, yeah. He's like, what do you call doing it on the... That's really cool. And again, from the Disney parks. I'll actually probably give this to my sister, who is a record addict. Unless my husband takes it. Way cool. A lot of fuzzies. Okay. Next, we have a cool lanyard with Mickey and the 1928 and some more here. Way cool. Always have a use for lanyards when you're a teacher. We have a Tsum Tsum of Jafar. Pretty cool. Oh, he reverses to Jafar. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Jafar. Bad Genie. Wow. I collect Tsum Tsum, so this is pretty cool. I have a whole tower in my classroom. So I don't have this one. This is great. So retail value on this one was $9.95. Goofy is my husband's favorite. As you see in my intro on this channel, on all my videos of him like hugging Goofy like he's his long lost friend that he hasn't seen forever. But check out this magnet. We actually get a magnet every trip we go, so this is perfect. Goofy saying Gorsh, pretty big. It was also from Disney Parks. It's got the purple on the back. Still going, this is amazing. Okay, we've got, it looks like this is a Disney pin. Heck yes. All right, so this is from a Goofy movie, I believe. This is pretty cool. I see this guy on t-shirts all the time at Hot Topic and Box Lunch. It's cool. And then we have another pin. And this one is Anger from Inside Out. And he's tiny. Cute. And it is a Hidden Mickey pin. So these are the ones that they trade in the parks. And we have a reusable bag. It's like these people know who we are. I have probably 15 reusable bags because my sister and I, we thrift and flea market for treasures all the time. And we also have our own flea market booth where we sell a lot of really cool like 80s and 90s toys and Disney stuff, etc. So it's just nice to be able to put this in there. And look at this bag. All of the cool Mickeys. Classic Mickey here. And it does have handles. Perfect for that. Okay, and then at the bottom of the box we have, it says Aloha on the bottom, and then we've got some items from Walt Life themselves. So Walt Life, an exclusive Disney fan club, and it is a bookmark, it looks like, and it's got connect the dots on the back. A Walt Life treasure coin. It says collect all 8 Walt Life coins and win a trip for 2 to Disney World. So I'm assuming that on their site that you take one of these and do the giveaway there. And then a card talking about what they are, and then a Color Me puzzle, which is pretty cool. This is fantastic. And so when I was looking on the website after they had reached out to me, I noticed that they had various different boxes that you can purchase. And you can do either a monthly subscription where you get a box a month and pay a fee for that, or you can do like one-time boxes for different occasions. So be sure to check them out. They have a lot of different cool boxes depending on your family. If you want something for all of you, if maybe there's this, you want to give it as a gift to a particular person, you can choose the type of box that you want to give. So thank you so much, Walt Life, for sending this. This is amazing, and I'm about to go show my husband what he got. I was trying to get him to get in the video, but it was like pulling teeth, and we have had this sitting in our table for a couple days, and I was like, I want to open this. So are you in or are you out? And I just kind of filmed it without him. So it'll be really cool to see his face on a lot of this stuff. Again, be sure to check them out if you're interested in a Disney-themed subscription box service. Their prices were very reasonable. And if you're interested in having some help in your Disney vacation planning, don't forget that I am an authorized Disney vacation planner and would love to help you. My services are free, and you can contact me, information in my comments down below. Have a magical day. I will talk to you soon. Bye.